And that way, someone can just know that going into it, when they go onto the app, any of the services that are offered, they'll be able to schedule those up front. And maybe it is a situation where, from a tech perspective or a beautician perspective, I'm sure they don't want to have a lot of appointments that cancel. But again, just like Uber, if they would have a card online and they go in and schedule those services, if they know that they're prepaying for it up front, then that would be more of a commitment on their end that they would show up, so the beauticians and other service providers wouldn't be as concerned about that. But I'm sure that could be some type of a cancellation clause where there was something unexpected that was beyond the customer's control, that they would still be able to opt out, in those one-off type scenarios. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So under anybody else think of a name for the app part of it that would work better than Beauty Pass app at this point? Okay. So under that, I just put maybe an asterisk and then put Beauty Pass app.
For the hair dryer,
Mm-hmm.
how about neat with less heat?
Okay. I'm not sure if you could hear that, Ophelia, but Diedrich had another name for the hair dryer, neat with less heat.
Oh, okay.
All right. For the sake of time, I do want to take each one just one more step for this meeting. Then anything else we can cover during our next session. But let's really put our critique hats on. And so if you take the hair dryer, the neat with less heat hair dryer, what are some things you can think of that would be reasons why it would be beneficial? Let's say three things, and then three reasons why it would not work or would not be a good idea. So three reasons why we should proceed, what will be the benefits, and then three possible issues we may encounter or drawbacks that there may be from a consumer perspective, or what concerns should we have about it. And same thing about the beauty bar, be thinking along the same lines, and we'll go to that here in a second.
Well, one of the times it all ties into the one-stop shopping and what Dietrich said about the scheduling. So if you spend less time on the dryer, under the dryer, that's less time that's taken for the entire appointment.
That's right. So I
Okay.
think for both of them, a benefit would be time.
So-
Saving time.
Okay, so let's do pros, do a pros, and then we'll do a cons, 1, 2, 3. So the pros would be, what was the first one?
Less time.
Okay. Less time in the chair?
Or just
Yeah.
less time on what?
Less time, okay.
And over here it was less time also.
Okay.
Also, benefit with the dryer, if we're getting a dryer that doesn't harm your hair, then you will have healthier hair.
Okay.
And you're not damaging your hair.
Okay. Less time, healthier hair. And then one I can think of with the one-stop shopping concept is not only would it be less time, but I think it'll save money because you wouldn't have to drive all over the city trying to get from one location to another. So just as far as gas or other expenses that might be involved, that would be a money saver in my opinion.
That's correct. Yeah.
Thinking about the hair dryer, not from the customer standpoint, but from the beautician's standpoint, it would allow her to